So I use storage units because our house is way too small and we have way too much stuff in our basement that's like packed. So that's why I'm here at the storage unit. It's easier to do this than to try to find everything in our basement and go up and down stairs. Look at that sexy beast. Perfect. I don't have the key. I'll be right back. Jack recharging, hopefully.
Have a good one.
Thanks, man. Okay, we're off. I was really hoping that that there would be more snow on the ground, but the past 2 days, it was like +5 and raining, and it just melted all the snow. One thing I just realized I forgot is a headlamp. And I also packed way too much. That's not usually how I would do it. I just am in a panic and I made an oopsie last night and decided to play video games instead of get ready. So yeah, we have way too much stuff, but that's okay too.
It says, I'm getting off at Kimber now. Send it?
From my mama's house.
It's a bit of a drive.
Better North Frontenac.
Brian said 4 inches of water on the lake. I hope it freezes for next Saturday.
The Clyde River?
Yeah. Oh, it is, log. Let's go take a walk.
Yeah, let's take a walk.
Keep
first.
the truck running. Oh, so it's on a fire.
Should have switched my boots.
Oh boy.
What a beauty.
Here? Full of truck, bro.
Man, this is a beautiful camping spot.
I told you.
Even right down there.
You want to go check Joe's Lake, which is 5 minutes up?
Yeah, we'll go take a look and we'll probably come back. Look how nice it is out today, man.
Beautiful.
Lots of snow too, which was what I was worried about. Like nobody's here, you know?
Walls are cut down.
That was cut down, yeah.
Why?
They don't want people to come here, I guess.
Why would they do that? Who owns it?
I don't think anyone.
So why would they do that?
Because they're just stubborn. They don't want people partying, probably. I think this is where I went with you, man.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Where the shad flag range.
Yeah. There goes your drinks. Your drinks all fell.
Well, that's just humidity.
No.
No. We're gonna make a little fridge out here.
We will. These are the best things ever, dude.
What?
These are the best things ever. All the moisture comes out of from the inside and goes only on the outside. So tonight when I take these off, the whole outside will be soaked, the inside will be bone dry.
Everyone loves Pioneer.
I love them. They're the best.
Bud, look at this.
It keeps the moisture out so your feet don't freeze.
$79 for this jacket. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at how nice it is.
Yeah.
It's got the inside.
And I was trying to look for it the other day.
You went?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not a fire.
I know.
When it's like nice like that.
Okay. This is my old tent.
Oh, okay.
This is chairs. This
So we're
is,
not gonna set up this one.
no, we could bring it
What's
over. That's just
Emergency blanket?
no, it's like a tarp. It's like seat, windproof, waterproof.
Survival.
Yeah.
All purpose.
Yeah. All.
I can take those. Huh? I can take those.
You blow it up,
Yeah, I know.
and it's like a house.
Yeah, I know. I've
You
seen
fit
them.
10 people in there, and
Problem is, if the temperature drops,
huh?
I don't care if I sleep on the ground.
I don't care either. All right, we didn't really film much when we were setting up because we had to take down the other tent I just bought, the brand new one, way too small compared to this one. This is the one I used a couple years ago. Matthew's got the fire going.
Hey, how's she going?
Cot's ready to go. Gonna cook dinner soon. What a beautiful spot, eh, Matt? I want to fall off this cliff. It's about a 10-15 foot drop. Some people ice fishing down there. What a beautiful spot. It's going good. Oh yeah. It's warm. I love the little window, eh?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Going, just trying to get her to work.
It's already warm in here, dude.
Yeah. Can you bring me some more of those chunks of cedar? Don't need this one, man. So we'll save it. Yeah, you gotta cut the stuff so small that it won't last long, eh?
Yeah. That's why those logs are perfect. But even those logs, you gotta. There you go. Self-inflating pillow.
Oh yeah.
Pretty sick.
Oh yeah.
Just foam. Just self-inflates.
Isn't it cozy in here, man? Yeah, it's awesome.
Wow, you're gonna be so toasty. Like
It's not. These don't get cold. They don't get hot. They shouldn't.
this one might, right at the back.
There you go.
It's too much though.
A little bit less. I close it in the front too. There, that's perfect. Yeah.
Like that.
See it? Look at how it's not going crazy.
Barely
now. See
going.
those flames.
Yeah.
That's what you want.
Even that's going too fast, no?
Nope.
Can you close this one?
Yeah. Cedar, eh? It smells so good.
Yeah.
All right. I gotta get my bed stuff ready. Yeah, get bed stuff ready. I see me burn my forehead on that.
Get up out of bed. Where?
Just in the back of the truck. It's always good.
Sometimes these little things you need a little help.
What's that?
Sometimes these pillows need a little help.
Yeah, it's good to blow on them too.
Oh, almost fully set up, hey? There's my side. All my stuff's in here pretty much. Matt's side, fire's going. Cooking soon. It's a big difference in there. compared to out here. Like, it's hot in there. Like too hot. Do you need anything at the truck?
No.
Okay. I'll be back. All right, we're finally set up. I didn't really feel much when I was setting up because the tent didn't work. I was getting frustrated. But we got the OG tent that I was using last time. I'll show you a couple pictures right here. And I was with my friend Sean. Anywho, yeah, winter camping finally. I've been trying to get out forever. Got one other person still ice fishing. Go to the truck, grab my last bit of stuff that I need. And then, yeah, lock her up. Start cooking dinner. It got dark really fast.
Hey, that's my dinner. Feel it.
Yeah, I know.
That's all you
Look
need.
at that. Yummy.
With meat.
Yeah, I got steak and everything. I went a little too overkill today. I was at the grocery store and I didn't eat breakfast yet, so you know when you do groceries before you eat. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I did nothing. All I did yesterday was pack my bag, my backpack for my clothes. This is a Winchester SXP 12 gauge shotgun. Has universal chokes on the tip of it. I just bought it, my first gun. It's pretty nice so far. We shot it off. Never ends. What a beautiful spot, man. We just set up finally before dark. It is 4:20 right now, blaze it. And yeah, it's about to get dark here in about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna try to cook dinner before it gets too dark. Last time I'm at this truck, hopefully. Very stupid of me. There it is. That's what I'm looking for right here. And this can go in here, hidden. There we go. Done. Tonight we're having roasted vegetables, steak, and I think that's it. It'll be good. It'll be yummy. Yeah, Green Lake we're at right now. We're probably gonna do some ice fishing tomorrow morning. We were kind of stuck on time. Yeah, now it's time to chill, cook dinner. I'm hungry.
You want to close the tent now? Or?
Yeah, we close one.
Or gotta get it halfway.
Oh,
Oh. Can you get in the picture? Cheers, buddy.
cheers. It's here. Zone 63A. Canada geese, coots, a cottontail rabbit, ducks. We also need tags. We get a hare.
You gonna charge those on Jack Rack?
Yeah, but this is batteries are charging. Done.
Flip this over. Whoop. Done.
Oh,
Double up on the shotkeys.
steak's gonna go there.
You want me to get a ripping for you or what?
I just need to dump that.
What?
I need to dump that.
Yeah, that's okay. You need to grab it.
No,
Oh,
bud.
Brendan, put it on with the handle that folds underneath. Get it up.
There's no handle down there.
Yes, there is.
No, there's not. I'm telling you right now, there's no handle there. It's off. It fell off. Oh, it is there? It is there.
You're a dummy.
It was done getting cleaned anyway. Throw it outside.
My sock. Yeah, I know. I can't throw it and get water all over my sock.
Oh.
I seen it earlier too.
Look at my pants, dude.
Yeah, they're steaming
Yeah.
from the heat.
There you go. I'm drying off quick, bud.
Yeah, I know.
That's too quick. It's hot. I'm sweating actually.
Yeah, that's what I seen. That's it, Brandon. This is me and you now.
Yep.
Me, you, and the deer.
Oh, look at that. I can't believe how good this light works. Oh, little nighttime walk. Yeah, a little slushy, but not bad at all.
Over there, it's gonna be better. You notice how the wind comes down? That's why there it's all frozen.
Yeah.
The wind comes on an angle and freezes the ice. You know how many trout I caught here, Brandon?
A lot.
Probably at least 40. See that's getting harder here?
Yeah. You see the bubbles.
That's where Buddy was thinking. Oh, he killed something there. For
Fire?
ice fishing.
Fire?
Yep.
Gonna make a little fire hut. Pretty damn warm right now, though.
You got like an internal.
That's not that thick here.
Look at that. 10-inch auger.
Yeah, that's not even that thick either.
It doesn't look thick, but what you gotta understand is because it's clear. Come put your hand there.
No, I believe you.
No, do it. Put your hand along the side and slide down.
Here.
Pull your sleeve up and put your hand.
It doesn't look like much.
Yeah? Put your hand down.
Oh.
How much there?
6 inches, 7 inches?
Before you can curl your finger?
I could barely curl, yeah.
Guess what? You can drive a vehicle on this.
Yeah, I know.
Deceiving, eh?
Very deceiving.
Yeah,
I was shocked.
Yep. That's why when you told me, I'm like, there's this thing.
Yeah, that's
I'm like, no,
that's
this
a
way,
lot
that's
of
where you
ice.
can see.
Yeah, that's a lot of ice.
You know, no worries. And this is where, you know, I can take the chainsaw and make
Big square. Big
Yeah,
square. Cool.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Not a very big lake.
We'll go back out again after. No, it's much ashes on my food.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
That's going on. You eat more, but grab some more paper and stuff.
Yeah, and I'll get rid of all the food here. Look at all the steam coming off my
yeah, because you're broadsiding me up.
There we go, we got my steak and my roasted vegetables for dinner. Not
So
bad.
I gotta get this thing going. Like, I want it ripping. What's wrong?
I'm just looking.
I just reconditioned them. I showed you, eh?
Well, me and Matt are hot as hell.
Too
It's
hot.
like -5 outside and we're all stripping down. My knees are smoking.
He's,
It's way too warm in here.
he isn't smoking, he is token.
Yeah, it's hot. It's really hot. We're about to strip down here.
He's a cobra.
Fire's,
I'll piss outside like this, I don't care.
fire's going good. Whoo, it's hot. You hear, listen closely, you can hear all the ice pellets hitting the tent.
He's like, kids, subscribe and listen closely.
Crazy, we got a storm tonight. Next time I go for a piss, I'll show you guys. It's hot. It's freaking hot in here.
Yeah, I like it though.
Yeah, I gotta take off.
No,
I gotta take off my sweater and these overalls. We're smoking.
I'm hanging these up, bro.
Oh my gosh, that snow's going crazy.
Yeah, it's nice though.
It's nice that we're warm in here. I finished my supper really quick because I was starving to death. But yeah, so we're just chilling right now. Watching the fire. We were listening to music, but copyright purposes, I told them to pause it. And yeah, we're just hanging out, having a great time.
For copyright purposes, I'm not taking Gaviscon.
Not with the Gaviscon, always.
Alright.
Right. Holy cow, it's really coming down, bro. Yeah, it's really coming down. Pretty nice, eh? We have a pretty bad snowstorm right now. I think we're supposed to get 15 cents or something like that, centimeters. It's -5 degrees Celsius outside right now. And it's like, we're literally in t-shirts in there right now. Look. Yeah, as I was saying earlier, Outside, soaking wet. Inside, bone dry. These things are the bee's knees, man. Best you could get.
The bee's knees.
I wear them at work all the time. I work outside construction.
I got a nosebleed tonight.
It's the best.
Too dry. You guys had the whole thing red?
Yeah, we had this whole thing red last time. It's hard to see on camera, but
Oh, so.
yeah, it's hot. It's really hot. You don't want to brush up against that.
No, when I was your pecker.
Yeah, or your pecker. Look at the amount of snow. Look at that. Look at our tent. Well, me and Matt have been chilling here for the past couple hours. We're just relaxing, watching the fire.
What is snapping like that?
I don't know. Alright. We're going to bed. Great. Yep. We're in the truck. This morning at, I think, 3 o'clock in the morning, my brother Matt went to go take a piss. And a plastic bag that was stuck to his foot went against the stove and smoked us out. And it was bad, like plastic smell. So we decided to come in here. Windy morning.
The brakes didn't freeze.
It was a good home for the night.
What is?
10.
Yeah, it's hot back. Yeah, it's on all that.
Yeah, not good.
Just gonna put it in like that.
I think so.
What's the one?
I wish the flaps could open.
Oh. George?
No. How beautiful that looks.
I know.
You can see right here, the sun is only hitting the top of the mountains. So underneath, it's all shadow still. Looks beautiful. So you just take the tent off now.
What's that?
You're gonna have to hang this in your house.
Yep. My gosh. I mean, that's winter, right?
Whew.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's cold. Oh. Oh.
Straight now.
Sure you go through that way?
Yeah. on?
Yeah. You didn't even look at this trip.
Yeah, I already looked.
Oh.
Wow.
Man, it's a pretty beautiful out. Quick vid here.
Little rear ender.
Little rear ender. Well, hey. I forgot to do another outro. Hold on. I'll be right over. For some reason, I always forget to do an outro. I don't know why. I do every time. I think it's mainly because I'm exhausted after the trip or whatever I'm doing. And I just want to get home, get unpacked, and, rest up. The trip didn't go as planned. Usually we'd sleep in the tent the whole night, but it was either me or my brother. A bag got kicked up right on the fire. It smoked us right out, and we literally couldn't breathe. We aired the whole tent out at 3 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, it still stunk like burning plastic. We know for next time. We learn from our mistakes, and yeah, I don't think any winter camping trip so far. I think I went on 3 total. I don't think anything went as to plan, but it was still fun. We had a great time, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit subscribe, like, and the bell notification so you get notified for every video that comes out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.